Hello Cardano holders, get ready Cardano holders, because now the July month starts, and absolutely today is the first day of the July month. So get ready my friends, get ready for the huge pump, for the massive gains in the July month my friends. Anyways, very congrats to all Cardano holders, because you know what, I also predicated about a Cardano idea that the Cardano will take a huge pump in the July month. But now you know what, at this time a lot of people also message me on Instagram and Telegram that what should we do in this critical situation. So when I see this message that in a critical situation, so I'm shocked and I'm going to see the price detail about a Cardano. So when I search a Cardano, oh my god, I found the Cardano and the loss my friends, and still I think the Cardano is in the loss. You can see here that the price series of the Cardano is negative. So after that I research about the Cardano, so I found that here's a temporary fast my friends. And you know what, if you check the price chart of the Cardano, so in the beginning of the July month, the price of Cardano is in the positive my friends. The price start pumping at the beginning of the July month, but now after a few hours pumping, the price is again fast down, and now still the price is negative. So you know what, I also predicated on my previous video that Cardano will take a huge pump after some passage of time, after 2-3 hours my friends. Anyways, let me show you more details, but before starting this video, please my friends, please click the subscribe button and also like this video my friends. So you can see here my friends, first of all, if we talk about the currently price of the Cardano, so 1.31 USD dollar is the currently price of the Cardano ADA in the market. And furthermore, you can see here the market cap, 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply of the ADA. Every update is present here my friends. And the price change, I also told you that the price changes occur in the Cardano is negative my friends. Negative change occur, completely fast down occur. You know what, in the May month the price of Cardano is also fast down, but now in the July month, no my friends, in the July month, no, never Cardano fast down in the July month my friends. My prediction is 100% positive my friends. Let me show you the price chart my friends for more and better understanding. You can see here my friends, just look here my friends, let me zoom it. Now this time my friends, that is the beginning of the July month, 1st July date, 12 a.m. my friends. On the 12 a.m. the price of Cardano is positive, and you can see here after 2 hours, after 3 hours pump, the price of Cardano is again fast down, and still now this time the price of Cardano is fast down. So my friends, I'm sure that there is a temporary fast after some passage of time, after 2-3 hours the Cardano will take a huge pump my friends. So get ready for the pump, and congratulations to the huge pump in advance my friends. Anyways, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates video.